In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use incognito mode with Grok AI. If you've ever wanted to ask Grok something sensitive without leaving a trail in your account, this is exactly what you need. Incognito, sometimes labeled private, is designed to keep your prompts and replies out of your saved history and, in most cases, out of product analytics and training. Think of it as a focused, privacy-first session inside Grok. It's not a VPN or a browser private window, and it doesn't hide your activity from your device, your network, or your employer. It simply tells Grok not to store or personalize based on what you do in this chat. Let's get started by going to grok.com in your preferred browser. Give the page a moment to load. You should see the main chat interface where you can type a prompt. The layout can vary slightly over time, but the core elements are consistent: a message box, a response area, and key controls along the top or side. If it's your first time visiting, you might encounter a quick welcome screen or plan details before reaching the chat view. That's normal. Now find the control labeled private. Depending on your screen size, it may appear in the top bar or in a side panel. Click Private. The interface will confirm you're in a private session. Look for a lock icon, a private badge, or a short banner letting you know that messages from this conversation won't be saved to history. From this point forward, you can chat as usual. Answers will look and feel the same, but personalization features tied to your past usage are minimized or disabled. A few practical notes while you're here. Because history isn't stored, Grok won't remember context from this session after you leave it. If you receive an important answer you want to keep, copy it to your notes before you close the page. If you paste sensitive information, remember that files and web requests still pass through the services required to process them. Private mode reduces account level retention, but it can't change how the internet works, so avoid sharing anything you wouldn't want transmitted. You might notice that suggestions based on previous chats, pinned instructions, or long-term memory don't appear in private. That's expected. It helps keep this session discreet. The quality of reasoning and creativity remains the same. You're just choosing not to save the conversation. That's all there is to it. Go to Grok, then click Private to activate an incognito-style chat. Use it whenever you want a cleaner slate and less retained data. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your more private conversations with Grok.